So today I'm doing an oil change on my Bobcat. It's a 2007 53. I've had it for a little while now, but this is the first kind of maintenance I'll be doing on it since I bought it. I don't know when any of the other maintenance was done on it, so I'm just kind of going through everything and taking care of it now. So I have a starting point. I think I've got a little over 2,000 hours on it right now. Should be, what does it say, 2104 I think. Anyway, so I just took a few loads of dirt out there over behind that fence. You can't really see, and I'm going to fill in that. But anyway, just get it warm. And so, I haven't really looked at this much, how it works. But what I found is that it's this little tube here that looks like it goes to the oil pan that is normally just tucked up in there. It looks like it should be pretty easy. Let's see, that appears to be the hydraulic filter, that's the fuel filter, and I'm guessing that is the oil filter right there. I like to run the Wix filters, the Napa Gold ones are made by Wix, so this is how I run it myself. And that appears to be it. I wish they would have made it white so I could have wrote the date on it or something, but oh well. Put this back in here so I'm junk in it. Alright, so this is where I like to do all my oil changes back here. This little concrete pad in the backyard. Just bring this little hand truck over with all the stuff on it. Anyway, let's see here. I guess that's just from rain. But I'm not sure what size it is. I've got some wrenches over here on this cloth. Hopefully one of them will fit. It's nice out here today. It's about 70 degrees. And where is that? Oh, that must have come from the oil pan. That worried me there for a second. Anyway, let's see. That's going to be a little too small. I can try the adjustable wrench here, but I have a feeling I'll have to put something on the other end. But anyway, where can I put the camera here? Alright, so I finally got this thing loose. It's on there tight. You can see before this piece from my fingers here is all crimped up where it looks like somebody put it on there way too tight at some point. Anyway, now this should come off pretty easily, and hopefully this is oil that comes out. Oh yeah, it's oil. I usually ran the Ortella stuff, but I recently switched my truck over to this Valvoline Premium Blue. It's recommended by Cummins, and I really like it so far on my truck. You don't get that nasty Rotella smell for the first 1,000 miles or so, and it seems to run good, so I figured I might as well just run that in this. And the little Yanmar over there too, it's it's actually overdue for an oil change. If you look on there, you can see I got a new starter for it finally, so it starts right up now. No more of those grinding issues where it wouldn't throw the gear all the way out into the flywheel. So, but it's running good. Just one other quick note, since I haven't made a video in a long time. Someone wanted to know what I did with the floor of the truck, because before I just had cardboard and duct tape there. But I just cut out some stainless plate and put a hole there for the shifter boot and bolted the boot to it. And this plate's kind of bolted, right around the edge of the carpet. Or not bolted, we used sheet metal screws. But anyway, so, my dad and I worked on it. It only took us about 30 minutes to do. Having one person cut the carpet and one person build this thing. At some point I should put some kind of trim on it because, it's not the cleanest thing. But it works. It is a little noisy, so some insulation might be nice. But, and here's my new brake controller. It's a Deconcha, I don't know how you pronounce it, P3. It's very nice so far. I really like it. I can't, oh, there it goes. Jesus. Well, that was on there pretty good. Bent the crap out of it getting off there. Tighten that back down. Alright, time for the good stuff here. Yeah, whenever I use this oil, I expect it to be some kind of cool blue color, but it's not. Anyway. Guess I can't put too much in there since I'm putting the filter on sideways on the Bobcat. If it will ever thread, probably not holding it straight here. There it goes. I hope. Now, up here is the oil fill.